Hi everyone, today we're looking at Violet Willow's Rainbow High chair. She has inset eyes with real eyelashes, has pink, white, and purple makeup, and pink lipstick with a glittery white, purple RH on her cheeks. Violet has purple, pink, white hair. It's very thick and long. She wears it in a high ponytail. She comes with a big purple, white, and dark purple bow with rhinestones on it and a clip that says cheer. It's a sleeveless 34 jersey on that's white, purple, and black. A skirt that says rainbow on the waistband. Two bows that are tied with a RH patch on her skirt. The top and bottom are two separate pieces that velcro in the back. She has white lavender socks and white, purple, black high heel sneakers. She comes with a jacket. It says sparkle on one sleeve and sparkle on the other. It has a purple drawstring that can really close up the hood. It has silver buttons on it, but the hood does not fit over the doll head. She comes with pom-poms that hook onto her hand. She does come with a purple sparkle comb, and she can move back and forth at her head. She can move at the shoulder, the elbow, and the wrist, and she has white painted fingernails, has movement at the hip, upper thigh can twist, and she can bend this far at the knee, do the splits, not all the way, but almost. Some of my favorite things about this doll is that her hair is really thick and soft. She has inset eyes with real eyelashes, and that she is fully articulated.